Population ecology, life history. Life history is a organism's schedule of reproduction and survival, and you have three main variables: when reproduction begins, how often the organism reproduces, and how many offspring are produced in each reproductive episode. Evolution and life history diversity. There are two options here. You have simulparity, which is where, like, you take salmon and they swim upstream and they produce thousands of eggs and then they die. You get one shot and you usually make lots and lots of babies, but then there's no real care after either. And then iterparity is repeated reproduction. You have relatively few but large offspring each time, but then you get multiple reproduction opportunities. The main thing that contributes to the evolution of either one of these is either survival rate of offspring or the likelihood that you reproduce again. Trade-offs in life history. Your selective pressures influence the trade-off between the number and size of offspring. Animals that suffer high predation rates tend to have lots of offspring. Shh. Xander is quieter than y'all when I do this. Oh my gosh!
I'm so sorry. Oh.
Primates have longer periods of parental care and extended periods of learning during the first several years of life. Trees that produce like Brazil nuts have large seeds with nutrients. All of those cost more, in energy investment. Last, you have K selection, which is density dependent selection. This is where population density is favored at high densities. Selection for traits maximize reproductive success. R selection is density independent. This is typically with populations, density independent, populations near limit. Near limit. Just kidding, hang on. Freshmen are distracting. Okay. R selection is density independent. K selection is where there's competition to make individuals stronger. Mature trees are K selected. R selected is per rate capita of increase. This is where you are below carrying capacity, and you just need to make lots of critters carrying capacity. Individuals have little competition. This is often where you have disturbed habitats, like wheat grown in abandoned agriculture fields.